top the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop shit. I'm always in the top shit. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip. How many of them could've did it with finesse?
How you want me? How you want me when you got a girl? The feeling is reckless. Knowing it's selfish. Knowing I'm desperate. Just keep him satisfied. You like on the fire. I'm the weekend. I'm home. Make it lose his mind every weekend. You like on the fire. I'm the weekend. Lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and this in my way. Think I got it covered for the weekend. Make it lose his mind every weekend. You take Wednesday, Thursday, and just send him my way. Think I got it covered.
Welcome back to my channel, everybody, and welcome if you're new. I'm chaotic.allure, and yeah, so I did this cute little baby girl Barbie doll look. It's really pink, pretty much, and it's very cute, and I thought it went well with my little fur thing, so I was kind of inspired by them. And I also just, came out with this new little crochet top set, and it's really wow. If you guys want to know how I achieved this really simple, easy, look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my notifications. I'm also gonna leave all my social medias in the screen somewhere, so go interact with me on Instagram, Snapchat, and stuff like that. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Bye. So my face is freshly washed, and I'm gonna start by, you guys already know, moisturizing it with the Nivea Full Shave Balm. My eyeshadow, one of my eyeshadow palette broke, and my makeup bag, so this bottle is kind of dirty inside my makeup bag, so all my makeup kind of look crazy right now, but it's okay. I'm gonna spray my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. I keep telling you guys to, invest in this because it's very moisturizing, and I've been using it, so it's good. Yeah, so then I'm gonna actually use my little oil. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera using this, just because it's the same thing over and over again, and I already have a video on that, so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the screen. I'll take my concealer again, and I'll just put that all over my eyelid and kind of blend it with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna just blend it towards my eyebrows, like so. After I do this, I'm taking my Alure Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush just to I know I usually use powder to do my eyebrow, and I was at Target the other day and I picked up a brow pomade. I don't know how to say it, but I picked up one of those little, you know what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna give it a try just to see, because I kind of like the look that it gives when people do it, but I'm just so I don't know, I feel like I would mess up really bad, and I didn't want to go through all of that. So like I said, I'm going in and I'm gonna be doing a really pink, cute look, Barbie doll, whatever you guys want to call it, look, because I was gonna use my Take Me to Brazil palette, but the pink gave me like a reddish tone, so I didn't want to do that, so I'm using this blush right now. I'm gonna be using multiple blushes, so I'm gonna use this as a transition because it's just gonna be really pink. What kind of pink is this? It's a really light pink. It doesn't really like show, it doesn't really pop. You see, it's like really natural because this is kind of like a natural blush, so I'm just applying that. I'm going in with my other blush, which is the pinkest right here. I'm taking a smaller brush to apply that pink because sort of want to make this kind of like a glossy look. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make this glossy because this pink is coming out really cute. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this same transition. I'm gonna go back with it. Ready to give you what you've been missing on these days, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no later. And this is all I'm really. No, it's not. I'm gonna use this liquid gold eyeliner, kind of. Just put it right above my crease like this. So after I finish doing this, I will put on my lashes. I've been using this glue, but I don't really like it, so I don't really like it, but I don't want to waste anything. It does stick, you know, and things like that, but I feel like it's kind of pulling my lashes a bit, and I don't like that, so yeah. Alright, while I'm waiting for this glue to get kind of tacky, I'm gonna start by like doing my makeup. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I really like the Fenty the Fenty Beauty foundation, so yeah, I've been using it. But I mean, I don't think my skin really needs foundation, but I use it sometimes, not all the time. Just some parts where I feel like is a little, you know, discoloration, so I would go back and just. So yeah, so I think my eyelashes are kind of tacky now. I can't put them on, so let's do this. It's hard to put on, and while this is drying a little bit because it's still not as tacky, I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit on my eye. Like I said before, I've been having kind of some trouble with this glue. Like, it looks tacky sometimes and it's not, so I thought it was tacky and it's not, so I'm gonna let it dry a bit before going back to touch it up. But at that time, I'm gonna be applying some concealer. I decided that I didn't want to use my Urban Decay one today, so it's been a while since I've used those concealers, so these are the best. You could never go wrong with those LA Girl concealers. They're like, what, $2-3? It's really funny though, because I have other beauty blenders, but I can't seem to stop using this one. Like, that's a bad look. Like, I have other ones, but I don't know. I have to use the one that's broken because I'm a mess. And I'm just blending the concealer over. I know it looks a little light, but we'll fix that later. It's because it's starting to get warm again. So I've been in the sun literally every day at the beach. I'm gonna go in with the Allure Mercier powder, and I'm just gonna apply that all over where I put the concealer at. I mean, with these lashes, I feel like I could have done better, but whatever. So you see how my face is a little whitish? All you guys would need to do to fix that is just go in with some, any brush and a powder your skin tone, and just brush the powder off like so. And look, you see, it's getting rid of the white look, and this is not gonna give you, like, this is what's gonna get rid of the flashback, because it's like the same skin tone as you, so it's gonna get rid of all the flashbacks and pictures, so you're you're flashback free. You can apply this all over your face actually. Yeah, so now we're gonna use the Babydoll manizer to like contour, the face. I'm taking this smaller one. And we're just gonna contour the nose like so. I'm gonna go back in with that same really pink one, and I'm just gonna apply that all over where I would like, put my blush and things like so. You see this nice blush, even though it looks really pinky, like a little too much, it's okay, because this is the look that I'm kind of going for. Okay, and taking like a smaller kind of brush, I'm just gonna place some blush right on the bridge of my nose. Okay, like so. And then with the residue, and I'm not gonna go back in, I'm just gonna kind of drag it under so that it could give me like this natural cute blush, even though there's nothing natural about this look. So yeah, it's really cute, right? For the highlight, I want to use like a really goldish kind of highlighter. Okay. Oh. Alright. So, and I'm doing like circular motions with this because I don't know where my highlighting brush is, but when I do this like this, it kind of gives me a cute little, you guys can see it? You see it? It doesn't look too crazy. Start doing circular motion like this. Okay, and then we pick up the clear part, like the clean side, and we just go over the edges like so. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same on the nose, bridge of the nose, top of this, right here, under here, I'm applying some highlighter in the corner of my eye, like this. Then taking that same pink, I'm gonna apply some under here. Make sure I blend really well. How you want me when you got a girl? Spray my face with this, because lately I've been using it as setting spray. I need long wear, so I'm gonna be using the Infallible spray makeup extender on my face to line my lips. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use this first, and then I'm gonna put this over it, so it could be really extra glossy and extra pink. You don't really have to do that. You could just keep this one. But at this point, I feel like you guys know I'm extra as hell already. So I decided to add freckles because I love freckles. So let's add the freckles. Okay, so I added a little bit of freckles, and then I'm just gonna go with my mascara like this. Freckles and the 2 dots under the eye is optional, but if you have like some white is it eyeliner, or you know, you could just put some white eyeliner on your waterline, but I don't have that right now, and you know, it would have made your eyes look a little bigger, but this is the look. Bye.